What's up, nerds? Fury Rider, bro. And today, it is Christmas Eve, kinda. It's the day before Christmas Eve. And that's when we do our Christmas on Christmas Eve. Anyways, I was not expecting it to come this fast, but we got a Christmas present for Fury Rider. That's right. We got mail.
You've got mail.
So I got some stickers from Born Scum. So first we got the visor sticker. We got the Swingarm sticker. This I'll put on tomorrow after I get off work.
Hey, I doubt it.
Okay.
And before we do our Christmas. So I'll put this on tomorrow. And then this we'll put on now. So let's get to it. First things first, we gotta clean the visor. We got a dirty old visor right here, brother. Microfiber cloths and our Swiss lens cleaning kit. So because I don't have any mount for my head, I'm just gonna set the camera down while I clean this. Clean like a whistle. So probably like that. I think that'll work. So again, I'm gonna set down the camera while I get this thing on, and then I'll show you the after effects. Yeah, let's do it. Suck at this. Hold on, I think we're gonna figure it out. There are my broken ass kizzers. So after sucking for about like, I don't know, 10 minutes, because I just suck in general, here it be. I think it looks pretty good. I mean, it would have been better. I think the problem was my visor, the way it was, like, it was just too flat. And I wanted it right up on the visor, so baller. Then, like I said, we will put the Swingarm decal on tomorrow.
Hey, I doubt it.
Okay.
On Christmas Eve, because it's too cold and I have to take off the saddlebags, and I don't want to deal with it right now. We'll come back to that tomorrow.
Hey, I doubt it.
Okay.
So in the meantime, another look. It's got some bubbles, but you know, I did what I could. But I think it looks pretty good. Born Scum. I am hopefully planning, if I can get the money, to get their Saddleman step-up seat. They have a Saddleman step-up. It's got the Born Scum branding on it. And they sell t-shirts, other motorcycle parts, like there is a shift linkage. There is all kinds of stuff, really. I think they have like T-bars. They have all kinds of stuff. So it is not only clothing that Born Scum sells, but they do sell motorcycle parts and then decals. They actually have the Born Scum skull that's like 20 inches. It'll fit on the hood of a car if you want it. They sell banners, all kinds of stuff. I like their logos, their style, so that's why I went with them. They just popped up on Facebook for me one day, so you know. But we got the helmet done, so like I said, tomorrow we'll get the Swingarm done.
Hey, I doubt it.
Okay.
Hey again, nerds. I decided screw it, and why not come and just put it on the Swingarm now. I mean, it's not like I'm doing anything tonight, so pretty sure we can get it in, no problem. Don't even need to remove the saddlebag. Actually, I'm not sure if I should even put it on this side. This side is much better. So let me clean that up real quick. Alright, hopefully I don't mess up this one too. Already messing it up. So let me just really get it on here, brother. I could hear the gas and the gas tank swooshing as I do this. It's like, all right. So here we go. Got it on the swing arm now. And it's cool because you can kind of see it. I know it's crooked like this, but that's just how I do things. Nerds, this was another lesson in why you shouldn't rush things because they come out all crooked. But that's okay. Perfection is in the eye of the beholder. You know, I'm f***ing ugly. Ugh. We got it on the swing arm. We got it on the helmet. I think they look good. Now I gotta get one for this side over here. Hopefully, I don't think the exhaust heat would chip it away, but you never know. That's why I didn't put it on that side, because I wanted it on that side. I'm not gonna get a like Rip Dyna sticker. I don't know what I will do for that side for the decal, but we'll figure it out. Then hopefully, like I was saying, next mod I'm kind of planning is get rid of this tall boy, put on a Saddleman step up from Born Scum, and they look good. You could still do all the customization that you would normally do with Saddleman. Only thing with Born Scum to keep in mind is that they make everything by order, so it can take some time. I was expecting about, I think on their website it says 4 weeks, so I was expecting it to come a little bit later than it actually did, but you know, that's not a bad thing when the package comes earlier, because I only ordered it a couple weeks ago. You know, if you're an impatient person, like I am apparently, it can definitely suck for you. It's not an instant thing, but even Saddleman's the same way from my understanding. They, you know, when you get the custom seats and stuff, it takes a while, so just bear that in mind with Born Scum. Stuff was quality. I just suck and I'm impatient and I put it on incorrectly. But that's fine for me. It's my bike, so whatever. Awesome. I'll throw a link down in the description down below to Born Scum. They got a lot of clothing, motorcycle parts, decals, all kinds of stuff. So make sure to check them out. And just a side note, guys, I am not sponsored by any of the companies that you see on my channel when it comes to DK Customs or Rogue Rider or Dixon Flannel or Born Scum. Anything I put on my bike is bought with my own money. So, you know, I have a real investment into every product that I put on the bike. Same with the iron. Every single thing, like the Mustang Fastback seat, the saddlebags, the Gasworks sissy bar, everything that's on my bike, even with the Moon's taillight here. Yeah, boy, I still like it. I'm not sponsored. I paid all for all of it. So, you know, when I like something, it's my honest opinion. It's not because it's given to me. That being said, if any of you companies want to sponsor me, feel free, because I'd love to put your stuff on my bike. You know, if you want to send me that stuff, Born Scum, that'd be tight, yo. That'd be real tight. But probably not going to happen because I have like 32 subscribers. So, but if you do want to sponsor this channel, just shoot me a message. You know, leave a comment down below. I'll get in touch with you. But other than that, guys, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy Hanukkah, Happy whatever you celebrate. I myself celebrate Christmas, but it's more for me, not in the spiritual sense, but spending time with family. That's what it's all about for me. So tomorrow's Christmas Eve. That's when we celebrate our Christmas, specifically just because, you know, jobs. So some of my family has to work on Christmas Day, and we've just always done that. We've always celebrated on Christmas Eve, and then Christmas is a day that we just hang around, watch TV, and stay in our pajamas and just be a family together. So that's what the holidays are for me, especially Christmas, you know, the whatever winter solstice holiday. New Year's, we don't really celebrate. It's just another day off. So, but happy holidays. Enjoy your loved ones. Be safe out there. If you're in a snowstorm, cuddle up next to the fire, read a good book, and leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think about my awesome freaking impatient skills of applying stickers and decals. And also, if you're a company and you want to sponsor the channel, leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you. But other than that, guys, like the video, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.